Hi friends, welcome to the IQ Boost. In this video, test your observation skills. Find the odd numbers and letters within given time. There are 4 levels: easy, medium, hard and extreme. Are you ready? Let's go! The super quiz challenge, quiz number 1, find 18, the easy level. Come on, genius, can you complete the easy, medium, hard and extreme level? The time is over. Wow, quiz number 1, easily find the easy level. Quiz number 2, find 28 within given time. Nice, quiz number 2, quickly find. Quiz number 3, find 92, only 10 seconds. Wow, super catch, your fast eyes. The next page, quiz number 4, find the letter VG. Wow, genius, easily find. Come on. Quiz number 5, find 67. Perfect, your eagle eyes. Quiz number 6, easy level, only 10 seconds. Wow, my viewer is smart eyes. Quiz number 7, find 56. Come on, my viewers, can you complete the all quiz challenge? Super catch, the easy level. Quiz number 8, find 42. Oh, amazing! Find. Quiz number 9, find 23. Nice catch! Quiz number 9. Quiz number 10, the unique repeated 2 numbers. Wow, right, repeated number is 14. The next level, medium. Quiz number 1, find 200, the medium level. Wow, quiz number 1, the medium level, easily find. Next, medium level, quiz number 2, only 15 seconds. Wow, super catch, quiz number 2, the medium level. Quiz number 3, find 125. Perfect. Quiz number 3. Quickly find the medium level. Quiz number 4. Quiz number 5. Find the letter O E N. Quiz number 6. The medium level. Quiz number 7. Find 700. Quiz number 8. The quiz number 9. Quiz number 10. Find the repeated 2 letters. Super catch. Repeated letter is Q. Next, super hard level. Quiz number 1. Find 99. The hard level. Quiz number 2. The hard level. Quiz number 3. The hard level. Quiz number 4. Quiz number 5. Hard level final quiz. Come on. Well done, the hard level complete. Next, extreme level. Quiz number 1, the extreme level, find 16. Quiz number 2, the extreme level. Quiz number 3. Quiz number 4. The final quiz, quiz number 5. Well done, nice work. Please like, subscribe and share. Do not forget to share your score in the comment box.